Roshni Dhar. Welcome to Medical Dialogues, daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look at today's top health news. Gujarat government says to doctors, pay bond or get arrested. Yogi names UP Medical College after spiritual guru Baba Kinaram. High Court takes dim view of unfortunate state of affairs at LNJP Hospital. Income tax raid at pharma firm Hetero for possible tax evasion. NMC releases draft tech regulations 2021. The tension among Gujarat doctors concerning the bond service is rising as the state government has started to issue notices warning them of seizing properties and arrest if the rupees 10 lakh bond amount is not paid. All of this comes after the state government had ordered the doctors who had pursued their medical education at government medical colleges and had not discharged their bonds yet to join COVID duty. If the doctors do not pay the bond amount and discharge themselves from the mandatory bond service for 3 years, the properties belonging to the doctors, their legal heirs or guarantors would be attached and put on auction for recovering the rupees 10 lakh bond amount. The government has also warned the doctors of a possible arrest and a jail term if they fail to pay the amount. Challenging such a direction from the government, around 251 postgraduate and super specialty doctors practicing in Gujarat had moved the Gujarat High Court. Further, the medicos have been warned that if they do not pay within 7-day period, the bank guarantee issued at the time of their admission would be fortified. Meanwhile, during the case hearing of the petition filed by the 251 doctors, the counsel representing the petitioner doctors, Amit Panchal, raised the issue and responding to the same, the counsel representing the government promised the court that the authorities would be directed to slow down their actions against the doctors. New Medical College in Chandoli district, UP, will be named after Aghor Panth's legendary spiritual guru Baba Kinaram, said Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Baba Kinaram was an Aghori ascetic born in Chandoli, India. Kinaram is believed to be the originator of the Aghori section. The medical college in Chandoli being constructed with an investment of rupees 250 crore. CM Yogi mentioned that his government will ensure the establishment of medical colleges in each of the 75 districts of UP before the 2022 assembly elections. He also said the work for construction of a medical college in Chandoli has begun, while Ghazipur Medical College will start operating soon. Before going to the 2022 assembly elections, we will ensure the establishment of a medical college in each UP district. Delhi High Court on Thursday saw the Delhi government's response on a petition alleging an unfortunate state of affairs at LNJP Hospital and said it needed to gear up. Justice Rekha Palli issued notice on a petition by a former patient and asked the government to set out steps to improve the working of the hospital. The judge remarked as she expressed displeasure over the alleged lapses. She said this is not the first time that we're hearing it. There is no competition, there are limitations, but you need to gear up. After the petition claimed several irregularities, the Delhi government sought time to file a response on the petition, where it has also been prayed that the court set up a high-powered committee to look into and monitor various lapses at LNJP and take necessary action at the earliest. The plea alleged that the hospital authorities had a careless, callous and unbothered attitude. Income tax raid were conducted at the premises of leading pharmaceutical company Hetero Drugs in Hyderabad. Following this raid conducted on Hetero's office, the Income Tax Department has discovered unaccounted transactions and also collected certain documents and seized many computer hard disks, which would be investigated to examine whether there was any possible tax evasion. As per PTI, searches are being conducted at the firm's headquarters as well as some of its manufacturing facilities in the offices at Visakhapatnam and Andhra Pradesh. The income tax searches come days after Hetero Group chairman B. Parthasarathi Reddy was ranked the second richest man in Hyderabad. Hetero gained fame after signing multiple partnerships and continuing to produce COVID-19 treatment medications such as Remdesivir and Favipiravir. Hetero was the first company in the country to introduce the generic version of Remdesivir injection known as Covifor. The rupees 7,500 crore pharma major is one of the firms that has tied up with the Russian Direct Investment Fund to manufacture COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V in India. Aiming at maintaining the standard of teaching in medical institutions, the NMC has brought forward a draft for teachers' eligibility and minimum qualifications in medical institutions regulations 2021. These new regulations have clearly mentioned that anything contained in these regulations in respect of any appointments made under the minimum qualifications for teachers in medical institution regulations 1998 or the recommendation of the councils prior to shall be protected despite any provisions of these regulations. These regulations include norms for appointing faculty in medical institutions, rules to determine the equivalent qualification of DNB with MD, MS, eligibility required to be designated as postgraduate guide, norms for appointing faculty and their promotions, etc. For more information about the document, check the link below in description box. That's all from the Health World today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.